So this is a 2017 Winnebago Forza. It's a diesel pusher, rear end pusher. And again, somebody hit it right about here. They've already had the body shop rebuild the front cap, hence all this work right there. But the body shop's gone as far as they can until this gets rebuilt. And so they've asked me to kind of help them out and rebuild this compartment for them. All right, guys, so with that, I've done everything I was asked to do to get this thing back into the body shop so they can finish up the body work, put that molding on, and then paint all the way down and get it ready to go.
Sí. 2 hours. This is how fast they got.
Sticky?
No,
Nuevo?
No, not nuevo. No. Let me show them the shirts and leathers.
¿Necesitas a Tepe?
No, it's okay. My own shirt now. Look at So I'll have.
Sí, mucho mejor. Yo no sé.
Now you guys can use custom print logos and stuff on it too. You gonna go?
Oh la la!
Mucho gusto.
Beautiful. Mira.
Okay, okay.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ok, entonces aquí es
12.
12.
¿Qué?
12.
¿Para ese lado?
Oh, 12.
A 12. Un poquito más.
12. 12 y media.
Sí.
Ok, entonces a little bit para arriba.
Sí, arriba. Poquito.
Okay. Es perfect.
Ah, mucho mejor.
A little bit more.
No, bueno,
It's good.
bueno, sí.
Ok.
¿Qué?
Ya. Todo va a ser así, mira. Va a ser aquí. Aquí. Perfect.
Sí, perfecto, güey.
Okay, one moment.
So this is a fiberglass. This would have been the original fiberglass from the manufacturer. They put filler, did the fiberglass repair, then some filler on it. You saw that before. This is actually sheet fiberglass that they body worked into it. And this is just going to be filler over the top. They'll do it to shape. You have to cut this light bezel in and then finish up all the body work. And I'll be ready for primer today. See?
Yeah,
Today.
Primer today.
Oi!
For money and next weekend. For money. Mucho más.
¿Próximo?
Más money.
¿Fin de semana próximo?
Yeah.
No.
Sí.
No. Miércoles.
Ya, miércoles.
See? All right, now he's going to cut that out and put that bezel in. Oh! Ah!
A little bit, a little bit.
Bueno, bueno. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, compa.
What you got there? ¿Qué es eso?
Para pegar el molde.
No. ¿A la luz?
No. La luz ya está de la guacha.
Ajá, bueno. Hey.
Mira.
Okay. All right, so that's a resin he's going to make for the piece of framing that he's going to put behind here to give this a little bit more body. That'll hold it in place. He just had it mocked up before. Probably see a little bit better if I open up that little panel. You can see where he put one in before. He's going to add one down below. So that basically he's just going to fiberglass this frame in there. So this is the aluminum frame he's going to put in there. Got it all roughed up. So it'll grab onto this side of the hardener. I'm just going to mix that hardener in until you don't see blue streaks anymore. It's a little bit cooler today, so might have a little bit more working time. It's a lot neater than I would be. I'd make a big mess. I don't know if you've ever been to a body shop, but every flat surface just becomes a place to hold stuff. De nada. I'm just gonna basically back butter it. This is actually how Winnebago would put on most of these moldings on the front cap. They mount things to the fiberglass. Only problem is that Winnebago always puts it on painted surfaces, and after a couple of years, it just lets go. It comes loose because it only stuck to the paint, not to the steel. That's why he roughed up that aluminum. Teal, okay. Just gonna scrape that off. It'll be easier than sanding it off once it cures. There it is. Muy bien.
1 hour, 2 hours. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la, indeed. Very good. ¿Te gustas?
Yeah, mira.
Listo.
Yeah.
Tome. Adiós.
Adiós, bye. Por venir.
Ajá, no, ahora va a estar detrás de mí todo el día. Y voy a poner en YouTube.
Alright, well, it's all been body worked. It's got a nice rough cat. Primer próximo? No.
Today, primer.
Primer?
Yeah, primer.
Some deep scratches in there for primer.
One more. Mira.
Mira.
Vale,
¿Por qué? Okay.
con Mari.
Sí.
¿Ya les dijo?
Looks good. Muy bien, bonito.
Like a coach again.
All right, well, it's the end of the day. He said he'd have it in primer. Oh, look at that. It's in primer, and I missed it. So the gray is primer. The black on top is just what's called a guide coat. It's really just black spray paint. So when you body work it, you'll use, I don't know, 600 grit to do the final form, make it smooth, then start laying down some paint. And the black just lets you know the top layer or the guide, so you know where to stand. It's looking good, guys. And look at that. Look at that. That's stuck. Nice. Any luck with that, Chad? It's got to be in there. Nobody would have pulled that out. ¿Necesito ayuda?
No, it's okay.
Magnifique.
Nada más los de estos
¿Tornillos?
tornillos.
No tengo. Mucho buscando, güey.
Sí. ¿Está?
Looking good there.
Este no, bueno.
So obviously this goes on. This is a plastic trim that just snaps over it. And then this is what it looks like when it's done. They paint over the top of it. So it looks like metal, but that's plastic. Tus manos no son motillo.
Yeah!
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See. Very nice. Yeah. So with the guide coat, you can see where the low points are. Hence the guide coat, huh?
Yep.
You guys are so good.
Yeah. That's what we get for not going to school.
Alright, so after they primer block it out, there's gonna be tiny little chips and paints, and so they'll get a little bit of putty, fill those little caps right there, and then sand that out one last time. Don't want to miss anything.
No.
It's beautiful. Look at this. It's all very exciting. It's all masked up, ready to get painted now. So you see they're not just going to spot it in, they're going to actually do a pretty good panel paint job, so there won't be a lot of blending. It's all been scuffed up. Be able to put base color and clear. Looking great. Look at that. It's been blocked out, ready to go. So hopefully, looks like they're gonna bring it all the way around the front. So they're gonna basically do a lot of extra little paint work for the guy. I'll have nothing but good things to say here shortly, because it'll all be painted. I don't know that I'll be able to show the entire process, but yeah, it's looking good. So just sealer?
Yep.
You block it out one more time?
No.
No?
This is so when I paint, it covers more of the scratches. Cold.
I know, it's cold right now.
Yeah. So, and I choose a light color. I choose a light color so I can get more coverage quicker.
Yes, yeah, it's an odd drop coat.
Instead of covering a gray, I'll cover white faster with this color.
Just up here, or are you gonna do in the back too?
I'm gonna do the doors and those are such a small spots that I don't really want to seal them.
I get that, I understand.
So just the bigger ones. If not, I don't trust this guy sanding it, but
I don't trust the guy sanding it. ¿Qué es eso?
hey, buddy, that's for free. No charge.
Good job, guys. It's gonna look great. Have you done today?
Maybe,
Color? No clear?
2 to 3 colors today.
All right.
This is just taking forever to go.
No, I know. That's a big job. Well, it looks like they put some silver down.
Hawa.
Starting to come together.
Oh yeah. Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. Looking good, guys. The progress progresses. Wow. All that for a tiny little color band. That's why so many colors really affects how much a body job costs. amount of masking and unmasking for each little piece of color is pretty ridiculous. What? Well, it's looking fantastic. Look at that. It's like brand new.
Yeah.
Are you the best?
And not really, but down the freeway looks better. 75 miles an hour. Woo!
Can't beat that.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little dry up front. Oh, you ran out. Huh. He's recording me, recording him, recording who? So many recordings. Necesitamos una luz. Woo! Woo! Pretty. Following along with me, you remember what it used to look like. Had a lot of damage in the driver's front area here. We replaced from here all the way to here, rebuilt the front corner right there. Actually, rebuilt the fiberglass itself, didn't replace the cap. And of course, did all the paint and body work associated with it. Let's see, the new mirror works fantastic. This one has a little rubber cap on it. That's weird, I haven't seen those before. But that's working well. And little did we know, we were missing trim right here from the get-go, so that had to be painted, and that's installed now. So overall, I think this job is done. I don't think there's any extra charge for the masking tape on the lock there. And we serviced everything. We did get that light installed, just like we said we would. And we've tested everything out. Mirrors work, cameras work, step works, horn works. I think it's standing pretty tall. Only thing you guys might notice is that the big Winnebago emblem right here isn't put on. This gentleman needs to get out of town, and this clear and paint's going to be outgassing for a little bit, and we'd rather not damage the paint and keep it from outgassing. So the new sticker is inside. You guys have seen that. He is welcome to put that on if he wants to, or come back and we'll put it on for him. But yeah, really pleased with the way that turned out. Really, really pleased. So I didn't do the body work. I'm not much of a body guy. Just kind of took you guys through the process there that the guys over here at Cassone's RV in Mesa, Arizona did. I just was asked to help them out because they were in such a bind that they needed some help. So you guys been following along. You've seen inside, you've seen outside, you've seen the rebuild, and now you've seen the body work done. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it all. I know they still have that Winnebago next door, and for sure there's this red right here that's just been haunting my soul. But they'll be starting body work here now. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Muy frío.
Oh, yeah. A little bit.